welcome to a new video. We're gonna be opening up number whatever day it is.
It's December 8th. And today we're gonna be opening up number 8. It's not number 1. It's number 8.
And if you're new here, be sure to slap that subscribe button and ding the bell so that you can catch these at 10 a.m. Central Time every day. And if you don't know what time that is on the West Coast and the East Coast, figure it out, because I don't know either. And we'll premiere every one of these, so you could ask questions.
And our mom will answer them to the best she can.
Or maybe us some of the days, I don't know.
The eldest person in any family with the most broad shoulders
That's our dad.
built this
Is he eldest?
calendar that is square. It's probably the largest in just infinite existence.
Someone's doing this out there right now. They're double tapping on the video so it goes 10 seconds forward. And they're like, wait, too far, and then they go back. That's what they're doing.
Yeah, huge tangent.
We got 5 gifts in each of these boxes for 5 kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5.
You know what else is $5? $5 footlong from Subway.
No, not anymore. That's the deal that they discontinued. Anyway, so let's get right on into day number 8.
Number 8.
Wendy's! I didn't know there was Wendy's in there, actually.
Wait, is there actually?
I really didn't.
Wendy's gift card
This
for you.
Wendy's is not.
Wendy's gift card.
This was not planned.
And Starbucks for me.
Wendy's!
I like drinks.
These are from our parents.
I didn't know.
Also, Micah just said Wendy's. Thank you, parents.
Thank you, parents. Let's put this in my KittiesMama Redbubble hoodie that was a limited edition from 2015.
We get no money from that.
That is still on sale.
All right,
Well,
so
you can buy
Buy
it.
our merch.
So Emma, the price for you, for me driving you to Starbucks for you to spin that is that I have to get a dragon fruit refresher.
That's not fair, then that's like one use of that card.
Never mind.
Alright, there's a lot of stuff in here.
I'm
We
just
have-
joking.
We have baby sunscreen, nasal aspirator. That's cool.
I need a
think
nasal
This
aspirator.
is Luca stuff. And then Micah got a whole bunch of these odd thingies.
I've seen him watch this. It's kind of.
Oh my gosh, can I see that? I actually kind of, okay, so when Mike is watching this show, I can't speak, but when Mike is watching this show, I like sit down and I start watching it with him. And it's actually a pretty decent show. It's like really mesmerizing. So,
Speak any language in this show?
They're like rabbits. What color is it? Orange. Please say it correctly. I should have asked about the orange one.
What's this?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ooh, it lights up.
You want the red one?
Well, it's supposed to like punch. You spin this one and then it.
wait, is the battery supposed to go in there or what's the bottom?
No, actually, that's not true. I don't know what the point is. That is factually inaccurate.
Thank you, Oddbods, for this awesome free product. We love your show.
Micah does.
No.
Micah does. I sat down with it once and I was like, this is a good show.
And thank you, parents, for free product.
It's Kid Station Toys.
Yes. Okay. Oops.
Okay, let's show this box.
Alright, so there's like 3 different brands who collaborated on this.
The animators for making it, Oddbods for being the toy, and Kid Station Toys for
Manufacturing.
manufacturing.
So yeah, we don't really know who to thank, but
You
thank
get
you
the
all.
box?
That's
Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh, I is get that it.
work?
Sure, I get it.
What's the scoop? Oh,
What?
it's like air.
Yep.
You know.
Micah, can you please be
So
patient
good.
for like 1 second?
Damn, look at that. That was so.
That was amazing.
Wait, let me set this up.
Yeah, Micah, you got it.
Oh, no. That's not.
Yeah, Micah, put them in there. There you go.
He went. It's kind of an interesting system.
This is really cool because you can put them down here and you can have that go up. Look at that, Micah.
Yeah,
Like that.
I want to do this one. Hold the horses.
More
Hold the
fun.
horse.
Just go like. Bam.
Wow.
See this peg?
You want to put this? You see that little hole? You want to put it on top.
Squeeze it, Micah.
Micah's very interested.
Alright, Micah. You ready?
Alright, so that is it for episode 8, December 8th. Thank you to Kid Station Toys.
Who else? Let me see. Hold on. Coats. And
What's the shampoo?
no, that
No, that was a different one, sorry.
Nosy Boo. Thanks.
So So thank you
Thank
for
you,
the free
guys.
product, everyone. And thank you for watching.
That's right.
Stay tuned till tomorrow's episode where we open more things and we smile for too long. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Click the rectangle after this.